My name's Alistair Rogers. Originally born in Wales. I left when I was 20 years old to go to New Zealand, so I've been living most of my life in New Zealand. I thought it was a great opportunity. I saw a lot of the games from last year and I was really excited by the team and the growth of the team, and it was something that I really wanted to be part of. And when I saw there was an opportunity here, I was going to put my name forward because I was really excited by it. First day was really great. Everyone was really friendly. What I loved is the energy. The energy in the group was excellent. We've got some new players to come back, so I'm picking that the energy is going to go through the roof when those boys arrive. So I think that's the most important thing, because I love to feed off that energy, and hopefully we can have some fun. I'm extremely passionate about my area, which is defence. Something that I really enjoy is the contact side of the sport, but also the kind of the psychology behind it as well, because it is physical, but it's also mental, because it's a tough part of the game. So to try and combine those two to help others be their best is something that I'm really passionate about. Spend a lot of time looking at we are rugby players, but we're humans first and foremost. So getting to understand the athlete, getting to understand the people that I work with, and being able to share my experiences is something that I'm also passionate about.